Hey, hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today, in this video, I am going to show you moong dal khichdi that I am going to prepare as breakfast to my mother. Without her help, I am going to prepare today. So, I am so excited. So, before moving on to the video, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be the first person to view my upcoming videos. Then why so late? Come on, let's move on to the video. Here I am just chopping the onions to prepare this moong dal khichdi. So I am just chopping everything and I am making it ready. As you can see, almost chopping everything is done. Let us put some oil now to the cooker. She's just instructing me here. After some spices, I'm just adding these chopped onions. Let's saute this now. Now I have added that green chili and curry leaves to that. Now it's ginger garlic paste. Usually ginger garlic paste we won't buy from shops, we'll only prepare at house. My mother will prepare that and she'll store in the fridge. Whenever we want we can use it. It will be very tasty for whatever we'll prepare. If we buy at shops, it won't be that much good. So we'll prepare everything at house only. Now it's chili powder. This also my mother prepared. Coriander powder. This coriander powder is also homemade. Now let's add some turmeric to that. Let's saute this together. Now let's add some tomatoes. Let's saute until it removes that raw smell. I'm adding little salt now. For this consistency it should be. Now let's add chopped coriander leaves to this. This is moong dal which we have soaked and we have kept in a bowl that we are going to saute together after mixing it. See, like this we have to. Actually khichdi is my favorite. That moong dal khichdi will be so tasty every time when we prepare. That is so good to eat. Let us mix this properly now. Now I'm adding 2 glasses of rice to this, which we have soaked and removed the water and kept in a bowl. That I'm going to add and let us mix that also together. See, in this way you have to mix it. Let's add 2 glasses of water to this. It's almost done. Let's mix properly one more time. After adding the water, it won't be sticky here and there. Almost done. Now let's close the lid. Let's close the cooker's lid. I'm I'm just making it high flame. We'll wait for 10 minutes. Until it gets 2 whistles, we have to wait. Come on, let us wait and see how it will be the breakfast.
3, 2, 1.
After 2 whistles, just remove the pressure of this cooker now. After 10 minutes we need to do this. Yes, now slowly open the lid and check how my khichdi is. Wow, I felt so happy when I see this. I wanted to show you this. See how it is? Exactly perfect. Now let us mix this together. It has come out very well, how I have expected. In the same way it has come out. Let us mix this properly. Yes, it's almost ready now. Let us serve this to my mother. Wow, our moong dal khichdi is ready. See, it's almost perfect, well cooked. Let us give this to my mother and wait for her reviews how it will be. Let her taste this and tell me, is it good or not? As you can see in this video, she's tasting this. She felt nice by eating this. She said it's well cooked. Now it's my time. Let me taste this and enjoy how it will be. Yeah, even I felt very good actually. It's nice. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, again I'm telling you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be the first person to view my upcoming videos. I'll be coming up with my next videos. Until then, bye guys.